Hi guys, I want to tell you about our room, the survival game, but I will show you with the other side this room. I will show you already installed room and already working. For start, I will tell you that our players have this button for calling operator. When they need a hint, they just pressing a button and the operator knows that they need help. Because this room have very many transitions and very many premises, so why they need to take the button with them. I will leave it here and show you our room. Here is the first location. The players go in here with the bags in their heads and they have a chains in their hands. For a start, they need to find the keys and take out the chains. So they can find it, you see the items that you already saw in a video, promo video of our room. It's the pipes where the players find the keys. Here's the other one. This one. Here's the one more item that you already know. They find another keys here. So as you see, the first location decorated with metal and grids. So it's looking like a herbal. The lighting is a very small light. This door is closed for a start, and they need to make a short circuit with helping of these pipes. They find the pipes here. So I will do the short circuit. When I do that, this door will open. As you can hear, we have a different audios effects for different videos. When players solve some puzzles, they have audio effect, and you can hear a nice sound effect of this room. So let's go. We're going like a players. They're going in a darkness corridor. After they go in here, they have one more effect. You have already saw it. So when they come in here and have the effect like that, they don't know that they will see that. Here is the next room. This door all time in the game it's closed, but now we will leave it open because I want to show you everything. So you see all items that you get in the interior where it must be. So here is the pilot's place with the picture. Here is our lightings. Here we have cameras that we need to be covered. They finding things to cover it. It's just for entourage chair. It's like a hided the entrance transition for the next room. I will show you it from the other side. Okay, so I can show you. Here is a smoke machine. It's starting working after 3 minutes when players get in this room and making like a poison smoke for them. So we can go in here. Here's the next room. It's decorated like a layer of a maniac that closes the players in this room. So you can see the transition, how they get in from that room here. As you see, it's decorated like a layer of a maniac. So where you can see the computer. It's all items that you will see in a promo video, but in already decorated rooms. So I can show you it's a cube with a circus. Once the players pass all riddles, solve all riddles in this room, they can open in pronouns with a transition. So we open this transition and we have a tunnel to another location. They have another riddle inside the tunnel with the pipes. So you can see that.
Окей, ты туда, я полезу сюда.
Once they get in this room, it's darkness in the room. So they have time to find something, to do something before it's opening, starting the light. They can open this door, find a key, open this door and get inside and find here more keys. So after that it's starting lighting in the room and they can find everything what they need. Here is also we have a chains with the locks. In the locks we have one more riddle that they need to solve. So after they solve all riddles in this room, they have one door that will open it and they can get out from this room. So it's open at the door and players can get out from this room. In this case, it's made it like you're coming back in a place where you started a room. So here we have also emergency button. If players have some problem in a game, they can push an emergency button and get out from a room.